Alright, if you have a lot of social media accounts and you want people to be able to find you on them, well, if maybe your username is not the same on all the accounts, it's going to be a bit hard to, tell people how to find you. So maybe on Facebook you are John Doe, and on Instagram you are John Doe 24, and on Snapchat you are John Doe 27007. You get what I mean? So it's going to be hard to keep track of all those usernames and letting people know how to find you. So one of the best ways to do it is by using Koji. Now, Koji is a website that you can use to create links to your different social media profiles. And I've been using it for like months now, and I enjoy it so much. It's very easy to just link an account there. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your profile in this video, how to create your account, how to create links, and yeah, you can share the link with all your subscribers or all your friends so that they can get to see all your social media profiles arranged in maybe the way you want, and they don't have to memorize your different usernames. All right, let's begin. So this is what the profile looks like. You can add a background image, but I decided to go for black because I just like dark colors. And yeah, this is the profile picture up here. This is the link to my YouTube channel. This is the link to my site/shop. I just created a new shop. Like, if you guys would check it out and maybe support the channel, that would be very nice. So yeah, maybe try checking out the shop. And I have my email here, and I have my NetGuard preset, my TikTok account, even though I don't like using TikTok that much. And I recently added this one to see how it works. And people can use this to donate to the channel if they want. You just need to tap on it and just drag this to show how much they want to donate. But yeah, this is what my Koji profile looks like. And you can have your Instagram, your Snapchat, and down here I have my email as well and my YouTube channel again. And that's it. So I'm going to be leaving a link in the description so that if you want to register on Koji, you can. It is completely free. There are no charges, and you have all the features available. You can also customize this page, but I will be showing you guys how to do that later on in this video. And you can also import like the way I designed it if you like it this way, even though I feel like it's very basic. All you have to do is just import by tapping on edit profile, and then you tap on options and you get this option here that says import theme from another profile. So if you guys want my profile, then just tap here and you input my profile URL and you can get to import my settings. So that is how the Koji app looks like, and now I'm going to show you guys how to set it up from beginning. So as I've said, I'll leave a link in the description to the website. When you get here, just tap get started. You can also do this on your computer, but I like working with my phone. It is quiet. It's going to ask you to use your phone number, but I'll suggest going for other ways to sign in. So just tap it. And then I'll suggest you use continue with Google. So make sure you are signed into your Google account. So tap continue with Google. And Google is going to ask you the email you want to connect the account with. So I created this email recently, and I'll be deleting it soon, so I'm not going to use it to sign in. And that's it. Your account has been created just by clicking two buttons. So it's going to ask you to choose a username. So I'm going to just call it Moonlander. That's not how you spell moon. Okay, so this green mark means that the username is available. So I'll tap next. Next, I'm going to use my first name and my last name. So after that, I'll tap next. Now you have these options here, so I'll suggest you select this one. And I'm going to ask you to input your profile picture. So I'm just going to select this, and then I'll tap only this time. And only this time as well. Okay, so I just uploaded the picture. And I'll tap save, and it says welcome to Koji, and I'll tap finish sign up. Okay, so it says profile created, and yeah, let's begin designing or customizing the profile. But before we do that, I want to show you guys how to add a link, because I think that is the thing you'll be doing most. So let's tap get started. You can add your bio when you talk about what your Koji or your YouTube account is about, because if you have a lot of followers on YouTube, then they will come here and they want to be sure that this is the actual place. I created this account to show people how to maybe start a YouTube channel, and I created a crypto channel with it. So I'm just going to say crypto health, crypto tips and tricks as a short bio, but you can go crazy here and write whatever it is you want. And you can go ahead and put in your social links through here. But now I'm not going to do that, so I'll just tap save. So this is where the magic happens. You can add links or apps, and the links are your normal links, like maybe facebook.com/your username, and the apps, they are really cool apps that come with the website. Like the one I showed you where people can donate to your account, that is an app designed and created by Koji. So yeah, you can add apps as well. So I'm going to tap here, and now I can either add an external link or I can add a Koji app. So let's start with the link. So you can just copy the link maybe from your Snapchat or your YouTube and just paste here. So I'm going to type my YouTube link. So after you type the link, you don't even have to put the HTTPS. Then you tap save. And yeah, it's going to grab the name of the channel, and the address is what you have specified. So the name here has to be 9 characters, and it's already 11 characters, so I have to delete some stuff. So normally I'll just call it YouTube. So let people know that if they click on it, they'll go to my YouTube account. So it's already grabbed the channel icon as well. That's the profile picture. So you don't have to upload it again. But if you want to, you can always tap here. And the good thing I like about Koji is that you can browse images, so that even if you don't have the picture, well, you can just choose from one of these image hosting websites. So I like using this one called Image Search. So if I tap on it, I'll be able to search for images. So I'll tap here, maybe search for YouTube. And now there are lots of icons here that I can use, lots of pictures rather. And yeah, anyone I want, I'll just tap on it and it will be applied. I'll show you guys how to do that later on, but for now, I'll just tap save up here. And this is it. So if anyone visits my Koji profile, then they're going to see my YouTube link, and if they tap on it, it will take them to YouTube. So let's try another one with Twitter. So for some reason, it did not grab the profile picture for the Twitter link. So I'm going to just tap here, and then I'll tap browse image packs, and I'll tap here. I'll search for tweet. Now we have all these icons. So I would recommend you go for an icon that is not too big, like this one. This one is too small, but this one is ideal. So I'll tap it. And now this is it. I wish it had a white background, but you can always go back and search for other pictures if you don't like the one you found. So you tap save. And now this is it. If anyone clicks on it, it will take them to Twitter. Now let's add an app. And there are lots of apps that you can choose from. So if I tap add new app, the apps have been grouped into different sections. So for the first one is for you to sell stuff. And if you have digital products you want to sell, you can use this app. If you have services, ebooks, there are lots of apps here. There are 16 apps. So you choose the one you want. So let's say I'll be selling digital products. I'll just tap view, and you can come down here to read what it says. Easily sell all your digital products in one place, blah, blah, blah. And you can see that it is free to use. It's just that you're going to be having a 5% payment per transaction. So if anyone comes, maybe your digital products is $100, then you're going to pay $5 and you receive $95. So I'll just tap add. So after you tap on it, this is going to show up. It's going to ask you to give details about your store. So these two are optional, and I'm going to keep it that way. I'm not going to fill anything. And Moonlander store, that's what I'll call it. So after typing that out, or tap layout, and you can decide how you want the store to look like. I think this one is fine. You can go for other ways, and when you're done, you tap next, you tap publish. So after doing that, you can change the profile picture if you want, maybe to a cart like this. It's already a cart, so I'm just going to leave it. Then I'll tap save. Now as you can see, it is down here instead of here because I selected this instead of this. So if you want to put it up here, you can tap reorder, and then you drag this one here. Just drop, and you see it is down here. So you can tap save. And now let's look at what our profile looks like. So if people come to your profile, this is what they're going to see. We don't have any links down here yet, but yeah, if they tap on any of these icons, let's try Twitter. You can see it took me straight to Twitter. And I don't even use my Twitter accounts that much. So, and let's see what this one looks like. So this is the store. You can tap here to add a digital file, and you just need to put the name of the file. You can put pictures of the file by tapping this one. You can describe it if you want, and you can add the price. So I'm not going to do that in this video. Maybe if you want, I'll create a separate video for that. But yeah, this is what your links are going to look like. Now let's customize what this one looks like. White is fine, but let me show you guys how to customize it, because most of the apps that I've seen that you can create links like this, you can't add background images because they are behind the paid subscription. So with this one, it is free. So just tap manage and then you tap edit profile. Next you tap style. And now you can start customizing what it looks like. There are some presets you can use from here. Let's say if I try this one, see what it looks like. This one to me is a bit too crazy, but yeah, I know there are people that like videos behind. To me, I can't. So there are lots of profiles that I can choose from. This one is also nice. It's just blue. Okay, it doesn't look too good. So that's why I like going for black. Like this. Yeah, it looks very visible. Now you can't see these green ones because we don't have links down here, but maybe I'll show you guys how to add those. So first, let's create our own. So we start with the background color. So that's the background over here. So you can add pictures, videos, or colors or gradients. So for the colors, if you want it red, you just slide this to be red. Let's carry it up here. And then you tap outside the box and it's going to be applied. Red is not a good color here, so I'm going to bring it down to black. And now it is black. If you want to add images, you just tap picture/gifs and then you browse. If you have pictures you already have on your device, you can also just tap upload an image, but I'm not going to do that. I'll tap browse. And you can choose any platform. So I like using this one. And I'll just search for dark. So you're going to get some images, or the Dark Knight. Okay, I think I like this one, so I'll select it. And now this is what it looks like. You can edit it if you want, because I feel like it's too zoomed in. So I'll tap on it and then I'll tap edit. And okay, I think it is using the whole picture, but let's not even use the part of the moon. I think that's a moon. So just do it this way and then tap save. So this is what it looks like now. I think maybe I'll copy this on my other profile because this one looks good. So after doing the background, next is the button. So first, before we can do this, let me just create some links here and I'll get back to the video. Alright, so I just brought down the links that were up here and now they are down here. So if we go back to edit profile, here you can get to choose how the buttons look when we go to style and then tap button layout, buttons layout. And you have all these layouts here that you can choose from. This is the one we are currently using, where you can choose this one if you want. See how it looks like now. If you want the one with the rounded edges, then you can go for this. So just scroll until you find the one you want. So there's this one as well, and this one too. And I think that's all. This one is better because of the white text and the dark background. So you can change the color of the outline by just tapping here and select the color you want. So let's try this blue. Yeah, blue looks nice as well. And yeah, when you're done, you go to fonts. Fonts will change the text. So let's try something bold. This one is JFK. This one is also looks fancy. Let's try this one. Okay, I think I'll stick with that one, but you can choose the one you want from here. And that's all. That's all the customization you can do. You just change the background, the buttons, and the font. And the next one is the options. I think we have looked at the options already. So you tap save. And now this is what it looks like. So if people come here, they're going to see the username. They'll see the description. We have my store here and a link to my YouTube channel and the Twitter account. And that's all you can do. You just add more links. So the final thing you'll be doing is you'll be sharing a link to this web page. So you can do that by tapping on manage, and then you have the share button here. You tap it and you tap copy link. So after copying the link, you can just paste it wherever you want people to view the links. So you can paste it in your Instagram description, your YouTube about page, or in the description of your videos and all that stuff. Alright, so this has been an overview of Koji. There are lots of things you can do with it, which I have not been able to cover in this video because it's going to get super long and people are going to stop watching. I know some people have already stopped watching by now, but anyways, if you guys want me to create more tutorials on this website, then let me know. I'll be creating more that I can think of right now, but maybe if you have specific questions, about the website, the platform, just let me know in the comments. And if I have to, I'll make a video about it. Alright, so yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.